Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup.
What's going on, guys? Angelo here. Welcome to Around the Track. This is where we talk about all the hot and new things going on in the coast community. Today I have some information regarding Busch Gardens Williamsburg and how they're going to be staying open for the month of October. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So if you haven't heard already, Busch Gardens did announce a few days ago that they will be staying open for the month of October. And this event is going to be called Halloween Harvest. There will be something for the kids during the day, and it is going to get a little spooky at night. So I'm really interested to see how this is all going to be. This event is going to run through October 1st, 2020 all the way to November 1st, 2020. So they're going to give us a whole month's worth, and I imagine we'll probably see something after that for the winter. This event is really just going to be for the fall and just to have some fun. They're also going to have some fall activities, some new food options, and on top of all that, there will be new coasters opening. Well, not really new. They've now included Apollo's Chariot and Tempesto to the event, which I'm really happy about. So it's going to be Tempesto, Verbolten, Apollo's Chariot, and Loch Ness Monster. So they're going to be opening up Loch Ness Monster again. I'm not really surprised by that. I had a feeling they were going to open that up. It sucks that we won't be able to ride Griffin as much anymore. They did let us ride Griffin for 2 events, so I'm happy about that. And they finally closed Invader. I'm kind of happy about that because that stayed open too long. Sadly, Alpengeist won't be open, so they only let us ride that for Taste of Busch Gardens. So if you missed that event, that was probably your only time that you're going to be able to ride Alpengeist. I doubt they're going to have it open for the winter, as they are going to have to get ready for those colder months. But I'm super excited because I hadn't ridden Tempesto obviously at all, and neither of us have. It's honestly one of my favorite rides of the park. I love how short it is. I love how fast it is. It's a great ride. I enjoy it a lot. It just sucks at capacity. So it's going to be interesting seeing how they're going to spread out each rose and whatnot for that ride. Some other new rides that are going to be opening for this event are going to be Turkish Delight. They're also going to have the Battering Ram ride as well as Flying Machine. So they are going to have some stuff for kids also. Oh, and Finnegan's Flyer will also be open again. They're also going to have a pumpkin scavenger hunt, but obviously everyone's going to be wanting to go to that night event, which is going to have roaming goblins and Giles around. And apparently they're just going to be distant frights. So it's going to be interesting seeing how that's going to really be incorporated. I really am interested to see. I was able to get a spot, and that's another thing we're going to go ahead and talk about. They do have certain times for this one, so pay attention for this. For Friday and Sunday, they will have 11 to 3 and 5 to 9. For Wednesday and Thursday, they're going to have 11 to 3 and 5 to 9. Now for Saturday, and this is Saturdays only, pay attention for this because it's very important, as they did this for a reason. The times for Saturday are going to be 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., 3 p.m. to 7 p.m., and then 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. So they're going to be staying open basically the entire day. So instead of them just being open like how they normally would, basically like from 10:30 all the way to 12 a.m., they can't do that this time because it is a limited capacity event. You all have to remember that Virginia only allows 1,000 people within the park. The tickets for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Sunday, just the ticket itself is going to be $50. If you want the ticket and 5 samples, it's going to be $74. And if you want the ticket and 10 samples, it's going to be $94. I'm rounding for you guys because they literally just did $93.99, $49.99, and then $73.99. So I just rounded it for you all because they are going to charge a tax, obviously. Reservations are free, but for members, they're basically sold out. They sold out within like the first 8 hours. I was able to get like 2 or 3 spots. That was it. I imagine something will open up in the future, so always be checking because they do open up spaces available. They just opened some for Wednesday as well, but I'm pretty sure that's probably sold out by the time I get this video up. But if you're actually going to purchase the ticket, you should be able to find something available because that's the part nobody wants to really be paying for. Most people who have a pass to Busch Gardens usually have the membership by now, or you're a pass holder. If not though, and you really do want to get a certain day, you might as well go ahead and just pay for that ticket then. Now, one thing to always remember that they will still have social distancing still in place. So you must remain 6 feet whether or not you're waiting for the roller coasters or you're just trying to get something to eat. You must keep that social distancing 6 feet. Masks will be required for anyone over the age of 2. There will still be enhanced cleaning procedures and sanitizing areas within the park, and they're also going to have a contactless temperature screening. Last but not least, let's go ahead and talk about the food. In Ireland, they're going to have shrimp po' boys as well as fish and chips, cheddar hush puppies, which sounds amazing, frozen dirty Shirley, as well as ginger lemonade. And I can drink now. I'm actually recording this on my birthday, so happy birthday to me. I just turned 21. In Oktoberfest, obviously this is where the beer and alcohol is going to be sold the most at. They're going to have a bunch of new different drinks. Vampire Bite, Bahami Mummy, Creepy Colada. They're also going to have Witch Brew, Frozen Larry's Lemonade, and many more. There's just going to be drinks everywhere in Oktoberfest. I imagine it's going to be smelling like alcohol and hops over there like crazy. In Italy, in Festa Italia, they're going to have German meatballs, draft beer and wine, frozen lemonades again, Reuben sliders, bloody sangria, just drinks everywhere. So it's going to be a lot of alcohol being sold, and obviously that's going to be their way of making money this time. But if you just want a little dessert without the alcohol in it, they're still going to have like the pineapple whip and whatnot. They're going to have churros, chocolate treats and whatnot, cookies and all that. They'll still be there. I'm super excited for this event. I know you are probably as well. Sorry for this video being a little bit longer, but I just wanted to make it as informed as possible. I hope you all did enjoy the video. I'm really excited to see Pantheon because we will actually be able to see Pantheon. I'll be able to get basically right up on it this time, and I can't wait to see it in person. It's going to be really nice to see this next year, but this is probably the closest we're going to ever get to be by Pantheon. With Tempesto being open now. Thank you all for watching once again. Please be sure to subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and if you just want to join that O Squad, it's free. Just click that subscribe button. Don't forget to enable push notifications to stay up to date with everything that's happening on the channel. Until next time, you guys, peace out.